Supervised versus unsupervised learning. What's the difference? Machine learning focuses on the idea of learning, just like humans do. Imagine you're learning to play chess. Machines learn in a similar way. One way to learn chess is by having a tutor. The tutor introduces you to chess pieces and their moves. They watch your practice games and correct your mistakes. This is like supervised learning for machines. Another way to learn chess is by watching others play. You don't ask questions, you just observe silently. Over time, you'd understand the moves and strategies. This is similar to unsupervised learning for machines. In supervised learning, the machine has a guide or tutor. The tutor, data scientist, shows the machine correct answers. The machine practices and improves using these answers. Supervised learning requires labeled data, like labeled chess pieces. In unsupervised learning, the machine learns without a tutor. The machine observes and finds patterns in the data by itself. It doesn't need labels to learn from the data. Each method has its strengths and weaknesses. Supervised learning needs an expert to teach the machine. Unsupervised learning needs a lot of data to observe patterns. Unsupervised learning might not always identify labels but still learns useful patterns. Companies use these techniques for more than chess, like analyzing customers. Amazon, for example, uses supervised learning to study its shoppers. It labels some customers as high spenders based on their habits. The machine learns what patterns make them high spenders. With unsupervised learning, Amazon gives the system all customer data. The machine finds its own patterns in this data. It might notice that people who buy chessboards also buy kitchen appliances. Amazon can use these patterns to advertise better. You may notice Amazon showing ads for things you might want to buy. These ads might seem unrelated but are often surprisingly accurate. Supervised learning is great when you have labeled data and experts. Unsupervised learning works well when there's no expert but a lot of data. Both techniques help businesses understand customers better. Supervised learning works like getting help from a chess tutor. Unsupervised learning works like learning chess by watching others. Machines need time and data to get better, just like people. Machine learning helps companies make smarter decisions. Both learning methods give powerful insights when used correctly. The key to machine learning is using the right method for the right problem.